Hello tubers, welcome back to the Piston Lineman Workshop. Last time I said only be a minute and we get this old Kawasaki running, but unfortunately it's got a bit drastic since then. We've investigated a bit further into what happened and it's got some serious engine failure. The guy I bought this off said it was a runner, but I fell for it obviously. So what I found is we've removed the rocker cover and it's got broken rocker arms. Now I've deduced by a bit more in-depth investigation that the valve timing is out, so the next stage is we're going to whip the head off of it to see if I need some valves or worse, pistons. So that's where we've got to at the moment. Let's crack on and see what we find. Right, we're halfway through stripping the engine down now and just taking the camshaft out. Yeah, it's got a bit hot. I don't know if that will show off on the camera, but yeah, we've suffered some serious damage here, folks. So as we continue, I'll let you know. Well, it's off, as you can see. Oh, drop this. Right, exciting stuff. I think I've saved the valves and the piston tops. The O-rings in between the head and the bottom have been incorrectly fitted, we'll say. I'm not going to point any fingers at the previous owner, but definitely at some point in its life it's been abused by some animal. So I suppose the next part of this is shopping and seeing what happens next. We'll make sure the pump is pumping in the meantime, and yeah, look forward to getting to bits now. But at least we found out what was wrong with it.